എല്ലാവരും ക്ലൗഡെ കുറിച്ചാണല്ലോ പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ എന്താ ക്ലൗഡ്? AWS റൂട്ട് 53. ഇതിൻ്റെ പേര് വന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഏതോ US-ലെ റൂട്ട് 53 ഹൈവേ. അതെന്താണോ സംഭവം? സിന്ധുവിനോട് ചോദിച്ചു നോക്കാം. മോളെ സിന്ധു, ആൻറ്റി നോക്കുമ്പോൾ ഈ AWS Route 53. This AWS Route 53 or Route 53 is actually a domain name service which is offered by Amazon. Say for example, you will build a website called say www.siliconspice.com and you host that on the AWS cloud. So when you create a website, they've got a corresponding IP address. So you can relate that to a phone book. So like every name has got the phone number in the phone book. Similarly, all the websites, which is a human-friendly name, will have a corresponding IP address. So when you type this on, say, a browser, the Route 53 translates that to the IP address. The URL gets translated to the IP address, and that IP address, it routes to the nearest AWS infrastructure. So in that way, when you access this website, it is very quicker. The latency is very less. It is very fast and it is very reliable. Depending on your location, it is able to respond back immediately. So in real life, maybe you can consider Route 53 as a traffic controller. So traffic says, yes, you take this route to avoid closure. Similarly, Route 53 would be able to suggest, depending on the location, which server you need to access. So in that way, the connection becomes very reliable, very quick and very faster. Because this DNS service is on port 53, they have named this service as Route 53. Yeah, we can have similar names like the motorways in the UK or national highways in India. So there are many interesting names in AWS. Like we have AWS Aurora, AWS Athena, AWS Lambda. So Auntie, you can stay tuned. I will bring more interesting stories in the future. So Auntie, what I appreciate is your curiousness. You're so curious to understand various systems or jargons that we follow in IT. നമ്മൾ കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്നല്ലേ? കേരളത്തിൽ 100% സാക്ഷരതയല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ IT-യിലും നമ്മൾ സാക്ഷരത വരണമല്ലോ. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ആൻറ്റിക്ക് ഇത്ര ക്യൂരിയസ്നെസ്. അപ്പോൾ താങ്ക് യു മോളെ. ബൈ ബൈ.